I'm Jordan, and you're watching Fixbook.
Hey guys, so today I just wanted to show you a quick trick when working on a Dodge Grand Caravan or a Town and Country when you can't get that water pump in and out. It's kind of difficult to get in and out. I'm going to show you what you can do to get the water pump in and out. This is once you've already unbolted it and stuff, because it can be pretty difficult, so I'll show you here in just a moment. Okay guys, so I've got mine up in the air here, got the wheel removed, and I've already got my new pump in. But what I did is I took this big old pry bar, and while I was getting the water pump in, you just kind of set it up, and you can see the tensioner here. You just kind of rest it right there, and then we're just gonna push, and that's gonna move the engine. Let's see, that's gonna move the engine by just about that much, and it's gonna give you just that little bit of room for clearance for this guy to be able to fit up in there. So just take a big old pry bar and just kind of wedge the engine just that much, and it'll help you get it in there. So that's a little trick for getting your water pump off and getting the new one in. Made it a whole lot easier for me. So that's it. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Hey guys, 2 additional quick tips. One, you may already know, but you're gonna have to keep that pulley on when you're taking your water pump off. You're gonna take the water pump off and the pulley off at the same time. Of course, you're gonna unbolt your pulley and then just kind of push it in, and they come off at the same time. So if you're sitting there struggling trying to get the pulley off, it doesn't come off. They both come off at the same time. Next, the bolt that's hardest to get to, you know, you've got like 1, 2, 3, and 4 that are kind of easy to get to, and the 5th one's all the way up there. The best way to get to that is gonna be under here from this side, because you can also kind of get to there, but it's hard to get to. You get right through this little rectangular area, you stick your right arm up through there, and then I can grab onto it. So you'll reach your right arm up through there, and then you'll kind of be able to get to it like that through this little rectangular area. So, because you can get to it from here or here, but that's the easiest way. So those are 2 more tips. So yeah, that's pretty much going to conclude today's project. Thanks for watching.
Hey, thanks for watching, guys. If you would like, subscribe, comment, and all that fun stuff. And thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.